Hi, welcome to my channel, Benri.TV. In this video, I'm making Japanese milk bread. It's not the kind of bread you buy at the grocery store. This bread is very fluffy, flaky, and very soft. First, I'll make starter. An extra step from regular bread making, the starter will make bread extra stretchy and super soft. In a small saucepan, mix water, milk, and bread flour. Stir on low heat until mixture has thickened like paste. If it looks like this, you're ready for next step. Here's the rest of the ingredients. Warm the milk. Mix in some of the warm milk to the condensed milk. Then combine together. Add yeast. Mix well and let it sit until bubbles form. Beat the egg until smooth. Prepare the dry ingredients, bread flour, sugar, and salt. Now there are bubbles. In the mixing bowl or bread machine, add dry ingredients, milk mixture, and starter mixture until combined. Here I'm using the bread machine. When adding butter, make sure to melt it first and add little bit at a time. After all the ingredients are mixed well, knead the dough for about 10 minutes. The dough will become smooth at the end of kneading. Move dough to the bread pan. The first proofing will be an hour and a half. The dough will double in size. Separate the dough into 3 equal parts. Form the 3 parts into balls. Cover the dough until used. Using a rolling pin, stretch the dough in a vertical pattern. Fold the dough in 3 like an envelope. Turn 90 degrees and roll it in vertical direction again. Then roll it up and pinch close the end. Follow the same process with the other rolls. Stretch the dough and roll it. Make an envelope shape. Then turn your dough 90 degrees. Stretch it and roll it up. Make sure to pinch the ending and close it. Grease the bread pan with butter. Place the dough rounds in a pan, side first and middle last. Cover and rest for second proofing, this time 50 minutes. After proofing, brush on top of dough the egg and milk mixture. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. I'm just speaking for a little bit. It's not ready yet. Now it's golden brown. Wait for 10 minutes before you take it out. Now it's all done. Inside should look like this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.